It's a big political showdown because remember, while the India bloc is coming out in support of Arvind Kejriwal, the Bharatiya Janata Party putting out statements of sarcasm, of mocking Arvind Kejriwal after his arrest, specifically with regard to some of the old anti-corruption videos of Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's rise from a bureaucrat to a politician has been as an anti-corruption crusader, and today he has been arrested on charges of corruption and conspiracy by the Enforcement Directorate. In this old video that's going viral online, Arvind Kejriwal speaking about corruption, which is an undated video, and he appears to be saying that arrest Aam Aadmi Party netas if they are found corrupt. Of course, at that point he was hinting that anyone should face the law and that AAP leaders are not corrupt, but it turned out it was his turn in 2024 to be arrested. While the charges will have to be proven, Aam Aadmi Party denies the charges. It's a full-blown political showdown.
कल को अगर मनीष सिसोदिया चोरी करेंगे तो मनीष सिसोदिया केजरीवाल का कुछ नहीं लगता, उसको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। कल को अगर कोई हमारा मंत्री चोरी करेगा, ये मेरे कोई सगे नहीं लगता, इनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। कल को कोई हमारा विधायक चोरी करेगा, कोई हमारा सगा नहीं लगता, उनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। और मनीष, कल को अगर मैं चोरी करूंगा तो मैं भी तुम्हारा सगा नहीं लगता, मेरे को भी जेल जाना पड़ेगा।
Ashutosh Mishra is right at in civil lines, which is the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. He's of course now been taken in custody to the Enforcement Directorate office. Also joining me this morning now is Piyush Mishra from Central Delhi, and I want to bring in now first Piyush Mishra on the latest on that. Piyush, what is the situation like? Because it appears that the Aam Aadmi Party workers are going to galvanize themselves, and now they have the support of the Congress Party and other parties as well, Piyush.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. There is a lot of support which Aam Aadmi Party is now enjoying, and especially from the India bloc. Remember that yesterday the leaders like Arvind Singh, Lovely, Sandeep Dikshit and other top leaders of Congress Party had reached out at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal to extend their complete support to the Aam Aadmi Party. Right now I'm present at ITO intersection. Remember that it is one of the busiest intersections in Delhi, and the roads those are going towards the Aam Aadmi Party office have been completely blocked. Let me also try to show you the visuals from this very place. You can see the road which goes towards the Aam Aadmi Party office. The Deendayal Marg has been completely blocked by Delhi police. Barricades have been put up here. Multiple layers of barricading have been put up here by the Delhi police. And this because a call has been given by Aam Aadmi Party to all its supporters, all its workers to reach here at AAP office in large numbers to protest against the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister. And because of this, the people of Delhi are facing a lot of inconvenience. I would ask my video journalist Abhishek to pan his camera. It's the busiest intersection, and here you can see as to how, because of the road block, people are facing an inconvenience. Traffic has been diverted. Traffic jams can be clearly seen here at this very point. So this is certainly showing as to how, because of the arrangements that have been made by Delhi police, people are facing a lot of inconvenience. And this particular lane which goes towards the office of not only Aam Aadmi Party but also to the office of Bharatiya Janata Party has been blocked. Barricade has been put up here. Let's go towards that particular lane and show you more pictures. This road has been blocked, and you can see the deserted look of this very lane. So that's the very point where the Aam Aadmi Party workers.
Point is this in ITO, Piyush. I'm trying to understand, where are these protesters who will be stopped? Is it right close to the ED office, or is it in Central Delhi area? A brief comment there.
It's Central Delhi area, the ITO intersection, the main choraha of ITO, which connects ITO from the other parts of Central Delhi. And this particular area is the very place from where the Aam Aadmi Party office is barely 500 meters away. So looking at the call which has been given by Aam Aadmi Party office, Delhi police has blocked this entire road. Deendayal Marg, which goes towards the railway station and other important parts of Delhi, has been completely blocked, looking at the call which has been given by Aam Aadmi Party. And because of the actions that have been taken by Delhi police, people are facing inconvenience. Massive traffic jams can now be witnessed in many parts of central Delhi. Pooja.
All right, so that also means there are likely to be traffic diversions in and around central Delhi with the protests that are expected and barricades that have been put up as well by the Delhi police. Piyush, stay on and try and get as many updates as possible. Also, Abhishek Anand and Ashutosh Mishra joining us. They've been with us and on the ground since early morning. Ashutosh, first to you. I do find it very interesting that at this time, because it was the whole anti-graft, anti-corruption that Arvind Kejriwal had come in, and on his target were the Congress leaders. And then we had, as Piyush is telling us, Arvinder Singh Lovely, Sandeep Dixit, who've been closest to Sheila Dixit. One has been a son. They were now defending Arvind Kejriwal. What do you think then is the Congress playbook at this point to say, let's put those differences aside, even if they were the ones charging at Delhi liquor excise policy, but now to say at this point, we need to stand together?
Well, that's rule of politics. When you're together, you speak one tone and one language. Exactly. You know, there is just their rivalry. In the rival group, they'll say the same. When you are split, when you're against, of course, you campaign against each other. When you're together, you speak one language. And that's what we're seeing between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. And remember, the kind of coalition formula is that since being together, the Congress will try to shift its vote bank to support the AAP candidate. The Aam Aadmi Party will try its vote bank to support to the Congress candidate. And when in that formula, when there is such kind of political understanding has already taken place, then the arch rival and the bitter relationship you have to keep aside. And that's what we are seeing in Delhi. But if you see the similar reaction that are coming from Punjab, from the Congress leaders from last night, they are quite very harsh and bitter. And that's because we know there is no political coalition or alliance has taken place in the state of Punjab. So that's also a sharp contrast within the same alliance that in the Punjab, these two parties are arch rival, speaking against each other, even on the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. But sharp contrast to that in Delhi, they are quite supportive with each other. And we have seen the Delhi Congress president coming out all the way to Arvind Kejriwal's house along with Sandeep Dixit. And in fact, remember Sandeep Dixit, who have been very critical of Arvind Kejriwal almost every occasion. And not to forget that former Delhi Congress chief was the complainant who also raised this issue of Delhi excise case against Arvind Kejriwal. So that's the rule of politics. When you are together, you speak one language, one tone, because you are on the edge of general elections, contesting together, one seat, one candidate formula, consolidation of vote, one factor. And that's why you see when Rahul Gandhi was carrying out Yatra in Bharuch, the Aam Aadmi Party leadership extended support. They joined this stage. Subsequently, it was similar. It was in Mumbai on the day of closing. Saurabh Bharadwaj, the Delhi minister, was on the stage. So that's what it's happened in the political coalition when you are together for a common cause.
Stay on with me because can we listen to this video again of Arvind Kejriwal? Because what he was saying at that point, of course, at that point praising the party, saying that we are all anti-graft, anti-corruption crusaders. But what he said at that point, to which Bharatiya Janata Party now says, well, here you go, your wish fulfilled. Let's listen into this video and then we'll go across to our colleagues.
अगर मनीष सिसोदिया चोरी करेंगे तो मनीष सिसोदिया केजरीवाल का कुछ नहीं लगता, उसको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। कल को अगर कोई हमारा मंत्री चोरी करेगा, ये मेरे कोई सगे नहीं लगता, इनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। कल को कोई हमारा विधायक चोरी करेगा, कोई हमारा सगा नहीं लगता, उनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। और मनीष, कल को अगर मैं चोरी करूंगा तो मैं भी तुम्हारा सगा नहीं लगता, मेरे को भी जेल जाना पड़ेगा।